Hello to all my fellow numismatic coin collectors out there. This is Numismatic King with a super unboxing video today. Oh, it's a big one, ladies and gentlemen. This might be the greatest unboxing I've ever done on this channel. So, without further ado, we're going to be getting to... Oh, it's a big boy. The box from the news unit. So, without further ado, I've been waiting a long time for this one. I took my information off the top, obviously. Don't want any leaks to get out. And I noticed this right here. You guys could make that out right there. It says English, John, JN, 56 page, 100. 100, baby. And that's the $100, supposedly, that the news unit said he spent to send me this hefty box all the way to Canada. Okay? So it's not about the money. It's about the Word of God. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. This is might be the biggest unboxing you guys have ever seen on this channel. Give me a little preview of what's to come. But wish me luck, guys. Okay. Got the first set of tape off. This is packaged very well, actually. Okay. Oh, wow. There we go. Oh, wow. Look at that. Okay, I'm not excited about the piece of paper, but that is very well packaged. Wow, beautiful. Holy Bible. Look at that. Brand new, sealed. And there's a bunch of magazines here. Ooh la la. What do we have here? Wow. Check it out. Westminster Reference Bible. These are beautiful. Large print Windsor Text Bible. Beautiful. And then last but not least, we got the biggest one in there. Westminster Reference Bible. Gonna do a lot of studying on this one. Beautiful. They're all brand new, sealed. So I know the news unit didn't send me his old Bibles laying around. These are the official Numismatic King Bibles. And there was a bunch of these magazines I gotta get to. Plain reason for keeping to the authorized version. Not sure what these are. Oh, I got a lot of reading ahead of me. So if you guys like this video, please comment, rate, and subscribe. The Word of God is great. And I'm about to find out. So if you guys want, join the news unit live streams where we're going to be getting into this box. And we're going to be doing a Bible study and learning all about the wonderful things that are yet to come when you study the Word of God. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Numismatic King, signing out. And thank you, Dave. As always, I love you, buddy. Cheers, everyone.